Hi. So today's video is going to be a very romantic, soft glam Valentine's Day tutorial. No, we're not doing that this year because you know what? I don't care about Valentine's Day. I'm not just saying this because I'm like single and sad and alone. I'm only one of those things actually. When I've been in relationships, never liked Valentine's Day, I've just never been that person that's been like, oh my god, yeah, let's go out for dinner. I don't care. I just think it's stupid. It's just a stupid day, honestly. In my opinion, anyway. I think last year I did do like an anti-Valentine's Day look and just did like a grungy vibe, I think. So this year I thought, actually, I say this year, about an hour ago, 20 minutes before I started filming this, I was actually gonna do like a cute pinky Valentine's Day tutorial, and then I was like, you know what, don't give a shit. So this is what we've done instead. We're gonna channel our inner bad bitch vibes. If you don't have those vibes, that's fine. We're just gonna create that vibe with makeup. Yeah, I wanted something quite neutral, but kind of, you know, you know what, honestly, I don't know. Fuck Valentine's Day. You know? If you enjoyed this video, if you like this makeup look and you want to know how I did it, and subscribe if you want to give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Right, eyebrows are done. Did them off camera because honestly, who gives a shit about eyebrows? We've got some hoop earrings in because I feel like that is necessary. Hair, we'll deal with that after, but we know I'm not really going to do anything to the hair. Cheers. I don't know what we're doing. We're just going to start with the face because I haven't actually decided. I haven't planned this whatsoever. I just thought like 20 minutes ago that I was going to do this. I was going to do like a nice romantic Valentine's Day look and then decided I don't want to do that. So yeah, I don't know what eye look I'm going to do yet. I haven't decided, so I need some time to think, so we're just going to do the face first. So let's just do that. So for face primer, I'm going to use the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk. I love this so much. I've done my skincare as well. My SPF, moisturizer, eye cream, all that. I did that off camera. Yes, we've got like bad bitch vibes going on today. We still have to protect our skin. We're you know, bad bitch vibes, but also sensible bitch vibes as well. Love that. Look how nice that made my skin look, like magical. Okay, so for foundation, I thought we'd go like full coverage but looks like skin. This fellow. So we're going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am actually going to use my brush and then I think like blend it out a bit with my sponge after. Either way, even if you use this like alone with a sponge, you've still got full coverage. But this brush is literally like blended in that foundation perfectly fine. I don't feel the need to like go over with my sponge actually. Like, so for concealer, I think I'm just gonna do up to powder. Once I've like powdered my under eyes and stuff, then we'll do the eyes. So I'm gonna use the Jefree Star Cosmetics concealer. I'm basically using like just products that just make you look just great. Okay, just absolutely great. Okay, setting the face. Obviously I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie powder because it's just solid. It's absolutely solid and we love it. Still been using the sponge. I just realised that I haven't actually uploaded the video that made me start doing this yet because I kind of want to get the Valentine's Day stuff done first, but you'll see in like an upcoming video that I now use a sponge to apply my powder, which I know it's not like a new thing, people do it all the time, but I personally never tried it and now I've done it in a video I filmed. I can't not. I think I figured out what I want to do for the eyes. I think not really actually. So I think a suitable eyeshadow palette to use obviously this. So Amrezy, she's a bad bitch. Use her palette to commodorate that. So I don't really want to use like any of the pinks because we're not here for a romantic Valentine's Day vibe. We're actually here for the opposite. So I think I'm gonna keep it like neutral. You know, stick with like New Yorker, OG, maybe the black and stuff like that. So yeah, I think we're gonna stick with like the browns and maybe the black. What to do actually? Still, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I kind of want to do something bold, but I kind of want to stick with the neutrals. We're gonna don't know what that was. We're gonna wing it. All right, we're gonna go in with OG first. This is literally my favorite shade in the entire palette. Like, it's just so basic, but I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. I just love this so much. And should I do maybe like a cut crease kind of thing, or like a, ooh. Okay, I think I may have just given myself an idea. I feel like I can't really talk through what I'm about to do, purely because I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I just kind of want to see if this is gonna work. I forgot how pigmented this palette was. Okay, right. Let's just... Alright, we're just gonna do it. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing because I don't really know fully. Okay, I'm actually just gonna use like a single eyeshadow just because the palette doesn't have like a cool shade that I need. So I'm just gonna take Creme Brulee from Makeup Geek, and I'm just gonna use this on like a flat brush. And I'm not gonna do like a cut crease. I'm just gonna use this to kind of define it. So I'm not gonna use concealer. I just want to do it without, if I can. Okay, now I think I'm gonna kind of do like the same kind of shape like this, but on the lower lash line. So going back to the Amrezy palette, I think I'm gonna use 1988, which is the one I did actually use before. And I'm gonna like put this on the lash line, and then I might use the black as well. Okay, I'm gonna just keep blending it as well so it's not like super harsh. Okay, and then I think I might kind of do the same again, but with black. And I'm really scared to do this. I think I might use like the tip of like this brush. Just realized I still have my powder. Yeah, let me just go do the other eye, and then we'll figure out if I want to smoke it out a bit more, because I feel like I might want to. Okay, hi, we're back. I finished off the eyes. Let me just get my Charlotte Tilbury powder, 1 second. So what we did was the exact same, obviously. I really like how it turned out. And then I just ran a bit of OG, which was the brown in the transition, like the transition colour. I just ran that a bit on my crease as well. And that's pretty much it. Well, I still don't know actually. I was gonna use this like Steeler shadow, like a tiny bit, but I kind of like how it looks matte. I don't know, it's in the shade Smoldering Satin. I might just try like a little bit, you know, maybe just like on the inner part, maybe. Like maybe just like there a little bit. I mean, I've put it on now, so it's gonna have to stay there, but okay. I'm just gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder just under my face. Because I feel like because I left like that powder on for a long time, I feel like it kind of brightened my face a little bit, and it's kind of gone a bit washed out just a little bit. So let me just bring a bit of colour back. Okay, so we're obviously not going to do any liner or anything like on the top because we've done that with eyeshadow. Hold. Let me tight line first because that's important. And I'm going to use the Colourpop BFF mascara. Okay, so let's get the rest of the face done. Bronzer, I'm going to use Fenty because Rihanna is just... I mean, she has an album called Good Girl Gone Bad, so... And I've actually been listening to that so much, so, you know, here's to that. And I'm gonna, like, chisel out the cheekbones with the bronzer part of this Revolution Sculpt and Glow. Sculpt and Highlight? Sculpt and Glow kit. I love this still. Contour shade, just like here. Just for that bit of extra, you know. I'm using my Burts Bees Toasted Cinnamon because I love it. And I wanted something a bit like brownie. That's kind of the vibe for today. Okay, then for highlight, we're going to use the Melt Cosmetics highlight in Stargazer. So for lips, I'm just sharpening my little fella here. I'm going to use the Leo lip liner from Jefree Star. So this is Chi by Colourpop. And then I think we've got a look. Okay, I'm feeling it. So that's it. That is it for the bad bitch vibes. But yeah, that is it. That's it for the makeup tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you appreciated this vibe, then let me know because I kind of do. I'm kind of glad that I put the glitter on as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. And enjoy Valentine's Day if you're gonna do anything. Even if you're not, if you don't even give a shit about it like me, just have a good day. Thank you again so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.